Yes, this is not clickbait. Bought 20 million Shiba Inu. Can you imagine owning anything? 20 million of anything in your life. I had to shoot this real quick. I'm sorry, I don't have my stand right now. I just wanted to get this out to you as quick as possible. First, I want to tell you a little story about how I got to this point. All right, so this is Dan. Dan told me to buy crypto. Why? He said I could make a bag full of money if I did it. So I thought maybe that was a good idea, but I waited. And I asked him, how does it work? And then he started to blah, 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 blah. But honestly, that's my own fault for not listening, because he told me about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. 3 things you probably hear about a lot, but Dogecoin really struck a chord with me because it had just actually gone up, and then right down after this guy, Elon Musk, tweeted about it and then went on SNL and smoked some joints. And so I downloaded the Coinbase app and I started to do some research on my own, how to stock up and what I should be looking at and buying, and looking at some charts. I only know a little bit about that. And then I found, there was a lot of stuff that was selling off and ready to buy. And there was Shiba Inu. I found this guy, and this is where I struck a chord. Shiba Inu is a token that aspires to be an Ethereum-based alternative to Dogecoin, which just spiked because of Elon Musk. So I said, hey, what's an opportunity? So I keep going into all this stuff instead of the yeah. Crypto can get a little out of control, but it was 0.00001 per share when I bought, so I bought a lot. I bought tons. I bought about 20 million shares, more than 20 million shares. Didn't cost me much at the time, but I started to do some math, and I figured that if I buy this and avoid the spikes, the ups and downs, that 1 penny, just 1 penny, if it got there, would be over $200,000 from a $150 investment. All right, this is how you can do it too. You can buy it off of any crypto wallet, but I recommend Coinbase is what I use, like I mentioned in my video. I'll leave a link to that down in the description below. You can start there and go through all of the free trainings and actually get paid to do that, because part of my investment was using that money. I just converted it into SHIB. To do that yourself, you can do that. Also, you get a little bit of a bonus, extra $10 after you put your first $100 in there. But yeah, I would get on this right now. At the time of filming this, the 20 million shares I got is priced at about $550. When I bought, it was somewhere around $150, but there's still a lot of opportunity. Even $10 could probably get like 100,000 shares or something. So I leave that up to you on what you want to do. Do your own due diligence in this. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see where this goes over time. I want to share all this with you guys, and then you can click on the video on the screen right now to check out what else is coming up for me on my channel. Yes, it's not real wood.